Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Now I will explain about skill 17 and skill 18. Okay, first I will explain about skill 17. Invert the subject and verb with negative. When the subject and verb can also be inverted after certain negatives and related expressions, when negative expressions such as no, not, or no, or never come at the beginning of a sentence, the subject and verb are inverted. Inverted means like this. If in general the subject verb is inverted to be a verb first, then the subject. Example, not once did I miss occasions. Never has Mr. Jones taken a vacations. At no time can the woman talk on the telephone. Di sini not, never, and no adalah negative expressions. Jadi harus di-inverted. Yang awalnya subjek dulu baru verb, di sini dibalik menjadi verb dulu baru subjek. Di sini did menjadi verb, I is a subject. Never has Mr. John taken. Di sini setelah never adalah verb yaitu has dan setelah itu subject Mr. Jones. Bukan never has taken Mr. John, but never has Mr. John taken. Only one verb di depan. Tidak boleh dua. At no time can the woman talk on the telephone. Setelah negative expression di sini can menjadi verb woman subject. Certain words in English such as hardly, barely, scarcely, and only are like negatives. If one of these words comes at the beginning of a sentence, the subject and verb are also inverted. Contohnya, hardly ever does he take time off. Jadi setelah hardly ever does. Does di sini menjadi verb dan he subject. Jadi setelah hardly bukan subject tetapi verb karena di-invert, dibalik. Only once did the manager issue overtime. Karena di sini only termasuk negative expressions, jadi harus di-inverted. Di sini did menjadi verb, the manager subject, like this. Okay, continue. Example from the paper and computer TOEFL test. Di sini only in extremely dangerous situations, bla bla bla, stop it. Di sini only negative expression at the beginning berada di depan, berarti harus di-invert. Di sini belum ada subjek. Jadi kita cari subjeknya dulu. Yang B jelas salah karena harus di-invert. Setelah only itu verb, bukan subjek. Berarti B jelas salah. Yang C, that the printing process will be. Yang C juga salah karena kita tidak membutuhkan connector that. Jadi jawabannya antara between A and D. A will be the printing process. D will the printing process be. Jawabannya adalah D. Oke, jadi jawabannya adalah only in extremely dangerous situations will the printing process be stopped. The following card lists the negative expression and the sentence pattern used with them. Jadi, no, barely, not hardly, never, only, rarely, scarcely, and seldom itu bisa di-invert jika berada di depan. Kecuali neither dan nor. Bisa di tengah. Itu pun karena ada koma. Ada klausa yang berbeda. Example, rarely were they so happy. Di sini sudah benar ya. Rarely negative expression setelahnya adalah verb were dan they subject. Continue the exercise. 1. Never the boy wrote to his sister. Di sini never negative expressions berarti harus di-invert. Di sini jelas salah. Setelah neither di sini the boy subject incorrect ya. Nomor 2. On no occasion did they say that to me. Di sini no negative expressions setelahnya berarti harus di-invert. No did they say. Di sini did menjadi verb, they subject. Correct. Number 3, Steph did not win the prize. Nor. Di sini poinnya nor. Setelah nor did he expect. Di sini setelah nor negative expression harus di-invert. Did he. Did verb, he subject. Berarti ini correct ya. Nomor 3 correct. Nomor 4, number 4, only once in my life. Only di sini negative expression berarti harus di-invert. Only once is in my life gone. In my life gone I have. Sini incorrect ya. Karena setelah only itu verb, bukan subject. Okay, number 5. Did he go out of the house at no time? Nah, di sini at no time berada di belakang. Sedangkan yang bisa di-invert adalah jika berada di depan. Berarti ini incorrect. Seharusnya kalau mau correct, at no time did he go out. Seharusnya begitu. Karena ini berada di belakang, jadi tetap setelah subject verb. Tidak di-invert. Number 6, seldom their secretary. Seldom di sini negative expressions berarti harus di-invert. Seldom their secretary. Di sini jelas salah. Karena setelah seldom itu verb, bukan subject. Number 7, no sooner had she hung. No di sini negative. No sooner negative expression, setelah itu had. Had itu verb, berarti correct ya. Karena setelah negative expression adalah verb, bukan subject. Number 8, Sheila did not arrive late for work, nor she left early. Di sini poinnya adalah nor. Nor itu negative expressions, berarti harus di-invert. Di sini tidak di-invert. Setelah nor si subject, berarti salah. Nomor 8 incorrect. Number 9, barely had he finished. Setelah barely itu negative expressions, berarti harus di-invert. Had itu verb, berarti nomor 9 correct. Number 10, the last questions. The police did not arrive in time to save the girl, and neither did he paramedic. Di sini poinnya adalah neither. Setelah neither itu negative expression berarti di-invert. Did itu verb berarti nomor 10 correct. Kenapa di sini did? Karena di depan tadi the police did not arrive. Jadi nomor 10 correct ya. Setelah neither itu verb karena harus di-invert. Okay, it's so easy then skill 13. Okay, continue to skill 18. Skill 18. Invert the subject and verb with conditionals. In certain conditional structures, the subject and verb may also be inverted. This can occur when the helping verb in the conditional clause is had, should, or were. In the conditional connector if is omitted. Maksudnya di sini yang bisa di-invert only 3. Had, should, or were. Yang lain tidak bisa. Di sini yang dimaksud conditionals adalah if. Remember, invert itu dibalik. Yang awalnya subject baru verb, di sini dibalik menjadi verb first baru subject. Example, if he had taken more time, the result would have been better. If he had taken, jika ada if, maka susunannya sama. Maksudnya tetap. Subjek dulu baru verb. If he had taken, he, subject, had, verb. Jika if dihilangkan, maka harus di-invert. Had he taken. Had, verb, he, subject. Another example, I will have help you if I were a position to help. Di sini if ada if I were. Jika ada if, maka susunannya sama. Tetap subject dulu baru verb. If I were, I subject were verb. Jika if dihilangkan, I will have you were I in a position to help. Dibalik ya. Jika if dihilangkan maka harus di-invert. Were, verb, I, subject. Continue to example from the paper and computer to full test. The report would have been accepted, blah blah blah, in checking its accuracy. Di sini the report itu subject. Berarti A, if more care. If itu conditional ya. More care itu subject, tapi tidak ada verbnya. Yang B, more care had been taken. More care had been taken. Ya, subject dan verb. Yang C, had taken more care. Had taken more care. Di sini ada dua verb. Di skill 8, jika ada dua verb, berarti harus ada konektor. Berarti yang D, had more care been taken. Di sini tidak ada if, berarti harus di-invert. Had, verb, more care been taken, more care, subject. Jadi jawabannya itu D. Karena tadi A itu ada subject tapi tidak ada verb. Berarti jawabannya D. The report would have been accepted had more been taken in checking accuracy. Di sini ada rumusnya. Invert subject and verb with conditional. Ingat ya, yang bisa di-invert only 3. Had, should, and were. When the verb in the conditional clause is had, should, or were, it is possible to omit if and invert the subject and verb. Di sini jika if dihilangkan, maka harus di-invert. Verb dulu baru subject. Jika ada if di depan, maka susunannya tetap subject dulu baru verb. Okay, like this. Okay, continue to exercise. Number 1, kenapa correct? Karena jika tidak ada if, maka harus di-invert. Were our neighbors a bit more friendly? Correct ya, jelas correct nomor 1. Karena jika tidak ada if, maka harus di-invert. Were itu verb, our itu subject. Our neighbors itu subject. Number 2, there are plenty of blankets in the closet if should you get cold during the night. Di sini incorrect. Kenapa incorrect? Karena jika ada if maka susunannya tetap. Setelah if itu subject. Di sini should you get, di sini di-invert. Harusnya jika ada if maka tidak di-invert. Number 2 jelas incorrect. Number 3, has he enough vacation days left this year? Has di sini tidak termasuk yang bisa di-invert. Jadi number 3 incorrect. Number 4, had we been informed of the decision? Di sini nomor 4 jelas correct. Karena jika tidak ada if maka harus di-invert. Had we been informed. Had itu verb, we itu subject. Number 5, I would like to know, could you help me pack this box? Di sini could you help. Could itu tidak termasuk yang bisa di-invert. Jadi number 5 incorrect. Number 6, he would have been in big trouble had not he remembered the assignment at the last minutes. Di sini yang maju harusnya hanya 1. Not itu harusnya setelah he. Ya, di sini not setelah had. Number 6 itu incorrect. Harusnya if he had not. Number 6 incorrect. Number 7, if your friends come to visit, will they stay in a hotel or at your house? If your friend, jika ada if maka susunannya tetap. Di sini number 7 correct. If your itu subject dulu baru verb come. Verb. Jadi nomor 7 correct. Number 8, he might be a little more successful today, where he a little more willing to dump some hard work. 8 itu correct. Karena harus di-invert. He a little more, where he a little more. Karena jika tidak ada if maka harus di-invert. Where itu verb, he subject. Jadi 8 correct. Number 9, should you ever visit this town again, I will be delighted to show around. Number 9 itu correct ya. Karena should bisa di-invert. Di situ tidak ada if, maka harus di-invert. Should itu verb, you subject. Number 9 correct. Number 10, the last questions. Do you think that she would give the speech where she asked to do so? Di sini do di depan karena kenapa di sini do ada di depan karena ada tanda tanya di belakang. Di sini poinnya ada di where she asked. Ini nomor 10 correct ya. Karena tidak ada if, maka harus di-invert where she asked. Where itu verb, she subject. Harusnya if she were asked. Karena if-nya dihilangkan, maka where she asked. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.